April 15th, that's the last day to submit your taxes. The new rules and codes have been difficult.
On 24 Hour News 8's Justin Kollar spoke with a certified public accountant who's been doing it for 32 years. He says that this season has been one of the more challenging of his career.
As we near April 15th, accountants will be swamped with late filers and run-of-the-mill procrastinators. This year's new tax laws, the implementation of a larger standard deduction, and the removal of personal and dependency exemptions have made this tax season an interesting one.
We've been really busy, and it's been a season of change.
The changes to tax law have resulted in some seeing more money in their refund.
In many cases, because business owners have to pay their taxes instead of having it withheld, and so their estimated tax payments were more than what they needed to pay because with the same amount of income, they're paying less tax.
In others, less.
Some people have been surprised this year because they're getting a little bit less back than they're used to. And that's because tax rates dropped, so their expected amount of tax they should pay is probably less.
Nothing surprises Dwayne Culver. He's been calculating tax codes for 32 years. He's also the president of his own CPA group. But this season, with all its changes, challenged even him.
The tax changes were very complex to learn and master and get a hold of. So we did spend a lot of time over the course of the last year learning what was in these new laws so that we could start telling our clients ahead of time.
Those clients would be well advised to get their material filed well before the April 15th deadline.
We always have people that have procrastinated to the last minute and bring in their information or call and need to file an extension.
And extensions only prolong the inevitable.
It just kind of pushes our work back a little bit, so it makes the season a little more compressed and a little more intense.
To make things even more interesting, Culver anticipates more changes to come next year, as certain ambiguities need to be clarified by the IRS and even others that may need to be corrected by Congress. In Studio Control, I'm Justin Kollar.